Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to trade options. In this special episode of How to Trade Options for Beginners, I'm going to be showing you how to trade options on the Robinhood app. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi everyone, my name is Avishai and today I'm going to be teaching you on the Robinhood app how to trade options. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to be on the search button because we're going to want to look for a stock to trade these options for. So I'm going to go on a stock that I specifically, personally really like, and that stock is Facebook. So looking at the Facebook ticker symbol, we have here Facebook trading at $363 at the time of making this video. So it's Friday, we're 1 hour after the opening bell, and I'm going to hit the trade button. And after hitting the trade button, you're going to see a trade option. So I'm going to click trade options, and I'm going to be overwhelmed with all kinds of descriptions. And there are basically cheat sheets here to understand how to do this. So if you think Facebook is going up, you can either buy a call, sell a covered put, or create a call debt spread, or create a put credit spread. And that is one option. If you think Facebook is going down, you can buy a put, sell a covered call, create a put debit spread, or create a call credit spread. If you think it could go up or down, you could use a straddle or strangle. If you think it's going to stay the same, you can create an iron condor, iron butterfly, or a calendar spread. Now I'm going to do a video in the future which describes and explains each one of these, but I'm going to do buy a call, just a simple call. And you can see that there are dates here on the top, and these dates are what are called expiry dates, and that's when the option expires. So option, from the word option, is basically the option and not the obligation to buy or sell a stock, especially if we are buying an option and not selling one. Right now I'm going to just do a classic buy a call, and you can see that we get here the share price in the middle, and above and under there are different strike prices, which you can see how much percentages the stock has to move in order to break even. So I'm going to go for September 3rd or September 10th. Yeah, I'm going to go for September 10th probably. And I'm going to buy let's see here, the $365 call with a break even of 372.80 for Facebook. I believe that Facebook will be above 372.75 at that time. And I'm going to be buying one call. And that one call is going to expire on September 10th. So I'm going to hit review after seeing that my limit price is 7.75. Going to be paying $775 for the option to buy Facebook at the rate of $365. If the stock does not hit 372, I am losing money. If it does go over, I'm starting to profit because I can buy Facebook for cheaper than what I'm selling. So hitting that review button and submitting. The order has been sent and I have been filled. So right now I have submitted a order for Facebook, and I am hoping that Facebook stock does reach that 372 mark in the future. And let's see if I can see right here my option. Yeah, here we go. So you can see ever since I bought it, lost just a bit of its value, like 0.02 cents it lost. And oh, you can see it's green right now. So this is how you trade options. For those of you who want at home to learn more about options trading, let me know in the comment section which one of the different option strategies do you want me to teach you first. Do you want me to teach you how to sell a covered put, create a call debit spread? Maybe you want me to show you how to sell a covered call. So there are all kinds of things that you can do with options. You can use it to hedge, you can use it to speculate, you can use it to short. So options is, a dangerous tool, and you have to respect options. Once the contract expires and it expires worthless, you lose all your money. So remember to tread carefully when you're using options. It's not for everyone. Another thing you need to remember is that if you haven't opened the option to trade options on the platform, then you're probably going to have to do that as well. If you want to take one piece of advice from me, is to not start trading options until you really understand that you are ready for this type of risk. And the second thing I recommend is that trade options only on companies you really understand how they work, the ins, the outs, that you know really well. Try to not trade options on companies you don't know so well. Maybe the last most important tip, don't trade options based on Wall Street Bet posts. As much as I like the Reddit forum, it has become a cesspool of wild speculation in compared to solid due diligence that used to be in the past. And if you find this video useful and you like the idea of learning a lot of investing tips and tools through YouTube, this is the time to hit that like button and to show some love for the channel so the channel can also get love from the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new to this channel and you like this video, hit subscribe and the bell for notifications so you can get notified when new videos like this come out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.